know about y'all, but I love when bathrooms are just so cutely styled. Seriously. Okay, so I'm in the movie theater, right? And we got the VIP section or whatever, you know. Why the movie just stop? Like right at the end. Oh baby, I need some more popcorn. I need a drink. I need a new show. I'm talking about it's the whole night. It's
Y'all
the
don't
whole
want to sit in here so good. Because when we watching the black screen, I'm trying to get a refund. They wasn't going.
good.
Oh, the bartenders.
They are trying to get refunds. It's crazy.
Good morning, guys. So I'm doing my mom's. I'm doing my laundry. I'm folding. Oh, why is it so blurry, y'all? Anyways, we have a couple more to go. But let me show y'all when we're finished. Bye. Peace.
Hi, my good friends. So today is July 4th, the 4th of July. And we are on our way to see my brother and my nephew. I got Scooter back there. She's hanging out. So we're going to have some fun with our family and we'll talk soon. Okay guys, so we are at the pool again. It's like a resort over here by my brother's house, and the kids are in there having fun. It's so nice. I have been to the pool so much that I'm like, today I'm just gonna take a break from it, you know what I mean, and just kind of catch a vibe with the weather and see what it's like, you know. Here's my brother. Say hi, Mike.
What's going on?
So we're out walking around. Like I was telling you, they have a resort here by their home, and it's a lazy river and everything. It's hot. It's the 4th of July, and we're out having the vibes. We're enjoying it. Here I go with vibes again.
Having a good time. Happy 4th, everybody.
Happy 4th.
This is like going around.
Hurricane Braille came through Houston, Texas, and I'm so grateful that I only lost power for about 6 hours and I had no damage at all. I'm also so fortunate that I was able to have a place for my family and friends to come and stay while we dealt with these difficult times.
Hey guys, so right now I'm playing Brookhaven, and that's me on the floor, and those are my brothers. And the RP, okay? Anyways, look, y'all.
Oh, here you go. Thank you so much. It was my pleasure serving you. Thank you so much. Well, guys, Dollar Tree's open. Let's go. All right, so for the most part, I mean, it looks like they have ransacked everything. Guys, I'll be glad when life in Houston goes back to normal, because usually you could just find like a couple of like little knick-knack things. What's up, mama? My daughter loves like these fun like little things like fashion gems and stuff like that, and I like to come here because they're fun, you know what I mean? So we'll see. Let's go to this house, see if we can find. They kind of ransacked everything, man. Oh, this is cute. I like this. Definitely this. What's that?
Is that a good? Wait, what's this?
This for soap. For soaping. Let's see what else they got.
Here's a little bit of nail.
Those are, yeah, you can hold on to those. We'll see if we can find. The travel section is usually pretty good, but let's see. Too much.
Oh my God, they got multiple Robux.
Well, they do have that, huh?
Yeah, but we can look at this last.
Let's see what they. So there's a few, yeah. They look kind of.
They all look so brown. Maybe
these are just some to kind of. Well, until they re-up. My daughter likes like the little press-on nails. Are fun for her to put on, but I don't see any that are for one, kid friendly, and have like a cute design. So I don't know. Plus they got toothpaste and stuff. You can never go wrong with that. Oh, I do need some of these. I got some. I don't know if the flossers. That's a steal. Let's see what other steals we can find. Oh, look at the Firefly. I'll get these for people. These are flossers for kids. Happy flossers. I'll get those. This is pretty cool. Everyday value for $1.25. We got the eyes, lips, and face. I have like the caboodle style, but I'm gonna get Malaya one. And those are the pink, and they have palms, facial wipes. In this section, not they got blemish control and blemish control. Okay. Oh yeah. And look, these are the face masks. They have a brightening bubble mask. They have the vegan. You want to try one of these? They have beet, carrot, blueberry. Which one you want to try? This is mimosa. These are face masks. You want to try that one? For $1.25, that's not bad. That's a clarifying cleanser. Some different type of alkaline waters at Dollar Tree. I don't know about that, but I do like Core, so I think I'm just gonna get a couple of these. Come here, Malaya. See the car? Yeah, these are cool. I can do Core, but Armor's pretty cool too. But let's see what they got in snacks. One thing about it, baby, if you come to Dollar Tree, you can definitely get you some little candies and be set if they're not stale. I think I'm gonna get a couple of these miniatures. Oh, Kit Kats, we love those. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I want this cup.
These are kind of cool. Well, what would you put in this?
I don't know, wine.
Is that for like oil? Like your oil and vinegar? Maybe?
These beads. Hi guys, good morning guys. So today, it's morning, it's 45. And wait, what's the real time? It's actually 10:40, but I made some pancakes, so I'm going to be showing y'all. So let's just flip the camera over. Oops. Alright, y'all. Tell me how I did. So, like, I think that for the most part. Look how buttery it looks. And then I got this kind of waffle. Mr. Butterworth. Yeah, blah, 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 blah. So yeah, peace. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Peace. Oh my god, guys, I'm sorry. It made me like unclick it. But let's get into the video. Okay. First, we have peel off mask, creamer mask. So, yeah, let's see. Get it. Like, it's like a peel off mask. Oh, I need to wash my face, brush my teeth. Let's put that over there. Next, what we got from Sephora is this real vegetarian mask. So it's like a real vegetarian mask. And it has like blueberry. But I'm going to show y'all at my desk because I have a lot. Electrical scooter, what I got at Christmas.
So, I don't know about you guys, but I like to look at inspiration clips on Pinterest before I get my hair done to see cute styles, you know, what I'm getting next. They are the cutest little things. That's good. Hi guys, so I'm back with Jasmine, the best hairstylist in Houston, Texas, and she's done Drake's hair. She has. So it's so fun when you get to come to the shop and have a little cocktail and get your hair done. I'm almost done. Okay, so we getting there. Bye. Hey guys, so I'm back. My hair is done. This is what I'm talking about when your stylist, baby, understands the assignment. Okay, this is the flip over traditional sew-in, okay, with human hair. This is so good. Jasmine Hair Doc, north side of Houston, Texas. It was the best. It's my girl. You gotta come check her out, but don't take too many appointments now. Y'all can't be taking all my appointments because me and my daughter, we gotta come in too. Okay,
That part. It's just gonna be like, oh, this is what you want to do with me? Okay.
it's yeah. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait.
Hey, what? So would you say most of your clients, they like to come when it's just one person?
Yeah, and so like if I'm busy like on a Friday or Saturday and they don't normally come on that day, I'd be like, yeah, if you think it's about to be like a Tuesday, it's not, ma'am. It's gonna be, you know, they're still not sitting here forever, but at the same time, I may have to be like, okay, give me a second, let me go shampoo, put them under, blah blah blah, you know, stuff like that. So
Yeah, I love this. I'm like, what?
that's why I'm
Tuesday
like,
all
I
the
don't
time.
want to get to a point where I'm disrupting that per se. It's just gonna be, you gotta book out. You know what I'm saying? And then I have to make sure that my OGs have a spot before the newbies. So I have to figure all that out. Yeah, no, I have to figure all that out so that you guys, but at the same time, you guys will have to know when to book.
I like good girls. 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 But I love bad bitches. I like good girls. I like good girls. But I love bad bitches. But I love bad bitches. But I love bad bitches. I like good girls. I like good girls. But I love bad bitches. Let's get so drunk with
Hi guys, so today is July 16th. As you have seen, I have a few clips of me going to get my hair done. But I wanted to give a quick recap. Hurricane Beryl did come through Houston, Texas. I am super grateful and fortunate that my power only went out for like 6 hours. And I had the opportunity to have my family come over, so they had someplace comfortable to stay. So I'm super blessed, super thankful for that, that we only had to lose power for 6 hours here. But yeah, so some things happened, life happened. So today is July 16th. As you've seen, I have gotten my hair done, so I'm super excited about that. But I just wanted to recap quickly. Hurricane Beryl did come through. I am very fortunate because I only lost power for like 6 hours. So I had family and friends that end up coming over my house to stay for a little while. But I'm super grateful that I didn't have any damage or anything like that. And just having the opportunity to have family in my home was I just felt so good about that. You know what I mean? So that was a really good deal. A lot of people in Houston are trying to get back on track with everything, figure out their lifestyle, what they're gonna do. But all is well. So I just wanted to show you guys some clips. I know this vlog is kind of a little all over the place. I'm gonna try to get back on track with everything going forward. I hope you enjoy this vlog. Make sure that you reach out to me. I am on Instagram. My Instagram is I am Fanya. F is in Frank, Onyia. On Instagram, I am Fanya on Snapchat, and Feminine by Fojo on YouTube. Bye. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you a quick outfit check. As you know, I always say easy breezy. So this outfit is easy breezy. Alright, so Target is Target for the tank top, Target for the sports bra, Target for my skirt. I have the vintage Harbanas on from Dillard's, and I have my Tory Burch purse. I have on my Kate Spade watch and some diamond studs.